Hello everyone, today we will discuss the most important topic of our sociology and the name of the topic is marriage. UPSC will ask this topic each and every year in 10 marker as well as in 20 marker. So UPSC will ask this topic every year, not a single year UPSC will skip this topic. So we have to prepare this topic very seriously. So before going to discuss the concept of marriage in sociology, what should be the structural format, means what we have to study in marriage. We will study the introduction, then what should be the types of marriages, then we will discuss the function or the goals of marriages, then we will discuss the causes of change in the marriage institution, and then we will discuss the dysfunctions or the challenges of the marriages, and at last we will discuss what should be the relevance of marriages in the present society, in the present world. In this lecture we will discuss only these three things: what should be the introduction, what should be the types, and what should be the functions or the goals of marriages. In this lecture we will discuss only three topics, and then we will discuss in the next lecture the causes, the dysfunction, and the relevance of marriages. So first of all, what should be the introduction in marriage? So in introduction we will define what do you mean by marriage. So according to Malinowski, he said that it is a social contract. It is a social contract. According to Malinowski, marriage is a social contract for the production and maintenance of children. It is a sexual union of two individuals recognized by the tradition or the customs of a society is known as marriage. It is a social contract for the production and maintenance of children, and it is a sexual union of two individuals recognized by the traditions or the society, that is known as marriage. So in introduction we will define the concept of marriage and the definition by Malinowski. Now we will move on to the second topic, that what are the types of marriages. Basically we will discuss here 5 types of marriages. The first important type of marriages we will discuss here is civil marriage and ritualistic marriage. Civil marriages means the marriages under Special Marriage Act 1954 of the Government of India. Special Marriage Act of the 1954 of the Government of India, that is known as civil marriages, जो कोर्ट मैरिजेस होते हैं. एंड द सेकंड शुड बी द रिचुअलिस्टिक मैरिज, द मैरिजेस विच आर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय आवर रिचुअल्स लाइक हिंदू रिलीजन और मुस्लिम रिलीजन, जो हम लोग मैरिज करते हैं अपने रिचुअल्स को फॉलो करते हुए, 7 फेरे लेना, तो दैट फॉल्स इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ रिचुअलिस्टिक marriage. So civil marriage is first, then ritualistic marriage. Then we will discuss the second important types is love marriage and then arranged marriage. So love marriage is also known as Gandharva Vivah in Hinduism. So love marriage, as we all know that because of increase of globalization and modern education and secularization concept, there is increase in the concept of love marriage, and the patriarchal setup of the society focus on to the arranged marriage. So these are the 2 types of marriages, and now we will discuss the third important type of marriages, that is endogamy and exogamy. It means caste endogamy is followed in India. Endogamy means marrying in own clan or tribes. Means caste endogamy is very important. Each and everyone is marrying to a lady or to a male within their own caste. आप अपने फादर से बोलो I want to marry a girl who belong to another caste, रिवॉल्ट हो जाएगा फैमिली में. सो कास्ट इंडोगेमी इज मच मोर प्रोमिनेंट इन इंडिया. एक्सोगेमी मीन्स मैरिंग टुवर्ड्स अ गर्ल और मैरिंग टू अ मैन आउटसाइड आवर ओन कास्ट. दैट मीन्स intercaste marriages and same caste marriages, endogamy and Exogamy, the fourth most important topic, the fourth most important types of marriages we will discuss here is hypergamy and hypogamy. Hypergamy means the status of groom is higher. In this type of marriages, the status of groom is higher, and just opposite to that is hypogamy. Hypogamy is much more prominent in India, where the male members try to marry to a woman of the lower caste because of their patriarchal mindset. This is all about the concept of hypergamy and hypogamy. Now, what should be the fifth important type of marriages? Polygamy and monogamy. Monogamy means a single man is marrying to a single woman, one man marrying to one woman. And what should be the polygamy? Muslims especially, a single man is marrying to more than one woman. So this is all about the types of marriages: civil, ritualistic, love, arranged, endogamy, exogamy, hypergamy, hypogamy, and monogamy and polygamy. So this is all about the types of marriages. The third important topic we will discuss here, the functions and the goals of the marriages. Same thing. The words are same, functions or the goals of marriages. In these functions, we will discuss two concepts. The first, the function of marriages given by Majumdar. What should be the function of marriages? He gave the function of marriages as the production and maintenance of children, inheritance of the property right, economic function of marriages, production and maintenance of children, and sexual gratification. ठीक? And Kapadia, he said that marriage is a divine act, and the aim of the marriage is progeny. The aim of the marriage is dharma. The aim of the marriage is dharma, progeny, and pleasure. Why he said that it is a dharma? Because it's a duty. In Hindu religion, marriage is a duty. Because after marriage, you give birth to a child. Because male child is important in Hindu marriage, because he is going to perform the rituals. There are some rituals in Hindu society which is only performed by the male. So he said that what should be the function of marriages? Dharma, progeny, and pleasure. Pleasure ke liye progeny means the birth of child, and dharma, it's our duty. So what should be the function of marriage? What should be the Majumdar said? Sex, sexual gratification, economic inheritance of the property, then childbearing activities. What should be the function of marriage according to Kapadia? That is dharma, progeny, and pleasure. So this is all about today's lecture. We will discuss the introduction, the types, and the functions of the marriages. In the next lecture, we will discuss what are the causes for the changing, what are the causes that leads to change in the institution of marriages, and then what should be the dysfunction or challenges of the marriages in the contemporary societies, and last we will discuss what should be the relevance of marriages. So hope you like the video lecture. This is all about today's class. Thank you.